Warm and hearty good morning to everyone. My name is Sharmila Merikinaro. I am a student of MSc Part 1 Chemistry. My roll number is 17. My exam number is 004445, and today I am going to present on the topic preparation and properties of allyl derivatives of nickel. We are going to cover the following topics. First is water metal allyl complex and fluxional behavior of metal allyl complex, then preparations of metal allyl complexes, then properties of metal allyl complex. In property we will see the physical properties and the chemical properties. In chemical properties we will see the various reactions like insertion reaction, metal exchange reaction, halide exchange reaction, and displacement reactions. And lastly we will go to the reference. Metal allyl complexes. In metal allyl complexes, metals like nickel or palladium form complexes with allyl ligand. Allyl shows either a monodentate property that it donates a pair of electron, or it can donate 3 electrons. That is, it shows either heptacity is equals to 1 or heptacity is 3. Fluxional behavior. In metal complex, fluxional behavior is observed, which means metal changes its position of attachment with respect to the ligand, which means all or some of the atoms can interchange between symmetry equivalent positions. We can see this from the following example, where metal changes its points of attachment with respect to the ligand, uh, and thus it shows fluxionality behavior. Preparation or synthesis of allyl nickel complexes. Allyl ligand is very common in organometallic chemistry, as we have seen in slide number 3, that the allyl metal complexes have either heptacity 1, that is monodentate ligands, or heptacity is 3, that is 3 donor electron system. Here usually the allyl ligand binds to metals via 3 carbon centers, that is heptacity is 3 or the binding mode is 3. Then allyl complexes are often generated usually by oxidative addition method. The other method of synthesis of allyl nickel complexes are by Grignard reagents or by metal carbonyl with allyl halide. Synthesis from allyl Grignard reagent. We can see when nickel chloride reacts with allyl magnesium chloride in presence of ether, it gives an allyl derivatives of nickel. Synthesis of metal allyl complexes by reaction of metal carbonyl with allyl halide. This is the general method of synthesis of sigma bonded metal allyl complexes. It is initially formed when metal carbonyls are reacted with allyl halide in presence of heat to form metal allyl complexes. We can see this in the following example, where nickel carbonyl when reacts with chloride, allyl chloride in presence of heat to form nickel allyl complexes. Another example is given below. The physical properties of metal allyl complexes. Metal allyl complexes are pyrophoric in nature, that is, they easily can catch fire when exposed in air. Then they are moisture sensitive, and they are homoleptic complexes, that is, similar ligands or the identical ligands are there in the complexes. The ion absorption peaks of eta 3 complexes is 1505 centimeter inverse, and of eta 1 complex is 1620 centimeter inverse. The chemical properties of metal allyl complexes. As we have seen in slide number 4, that metal allyl complexes of fluxional behavior. Eta 3 allyl complexes show fluxional behavior and changes from heptacity 3 to heptacity 1. During this changes, reactivity of metal changes and makes complex chemically reactive. Therefore, we can see the chemical property by the following reaction. Firstly, the insertion reaction, metal exchange reaction, halide exchange reaction, and lastly the displacement reaction. Insertion reaction. The reaction with organic or inorganic group is inserted into the metal carbon bond is known as insertion reaction. In example 1, we can see when dialkyl nickel reacts with carbon dioxide, it forms intermediate which on cyclation forms lactone. Here we can see that the nickel dialkyl, when it reacts with carbon dioxide, it forms an intermediate. The intermediate and by cyclation reaction then forms a gamma lactone. Similarly, we can see in the second example, palladium chloride, dialkyl palladium chloride complex reacts with in presence of carbonyl, it forms an intermediate, and then lastly it forms a complex of lactone. Metal exchange reaction. In metal exchange reaction, the eta 3 allyl group is transferred from one metal to the other. That is, metal exchange takes place. The base 2 allyl nickel 2 complex has been utilized as stoichiometric reagent for alkylation of the organic halides and ketones. Let us see to the example of metal exchange reaction, where we can see one complex uh, when reacts with a metal allyl complex, it forms uh, an intermediate, and intermediate finally converts into a new complexes. We can also see the second example of metal exchange reaction. Halide exchange reaction. In halide exchange reaction, usually the halide ion like chlorine, fluorine, bromine or iodine exchange in the reaction. Halide is an excellent leaving group, and therefore the reaction takes place very easily. The displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction, we can see that reactions in with ligands like tertiary phosphine, tertiary arsines, isocyanides react with eta 3 allyl complexes, and eta 3 allyl ligand is converted from eta 3 to eta 1. That is, in this we can see this following example when nickel eta 3 complexes in presence of ligand gets converted to eta 1 complexes. That is, hepacity 3 is converted to hepacity 1. We can also see when large amount of ligand is present, then the eta 3 complexes is completely removed and not converted. The example of this is given below. These are the references. My sincere gratitude to our principal, Dr. V. Divarate sir, our vice principal and head of the department, Dr. S.K. Patil sir, our professors, Dr. B.V. Jadhav sir and Ranade sir, and all the other professors who have helped me enormously to understand chemistry better. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.